Xiaomi unveiled their first ever smart glasses. This smart glasses, they've been working on it and they're still working on it. They're not releasing it anytime soon right now, but the video for what it can do has come out on their channel. It's a smart glass that's able to display your messages, notification. It's able to make calls. It can navigate your photos. Uh, it can also capture photos, translate text, do a lot more. It has Wi-Fi connection. It's really, really powerful for what you can expect from it. It's able to magnify the image on the images that you want it to magnify, and pretty much give you a bigger view of it just within the glasses, which I think is quite nice. This glasses is quite similar to the NX. I think the NX uh, glasses from TCL. I might be wrong, but TCL in a few months ago, or almost about a year now, launched a similar kind of glasses. They may be different slightly in what they can do, but they are quite similar. When the TCL launched that model, they gave people the ability to use it to do things like their text, their messages, read. Um, and it's similar, but this is slightly different for the most part. At least they're not comparing it with it. In terms of look, it looks old school slightly. It looks old school. Nothing really enticing about the design. I'm not blown away by that, but it's all good. It's able to magnify your content, whatever it is. You can even use it as a map display, because when you're in your car, it can display maps. It's very good. Obviously for what you can expect from it. um it's not a an Android phone replacement because it's running with Android. It has a quad core ARM processor. It's quite good. It has batteries inbuilt into it, so it's able to last for a really, really long time. I don't think when this thing comes out, it will be on the cheap side. It's going to be um reasonably priced. They are still working on it. They're still working on it. They're still working on it to work out some kinks and make it available for most people to wear without giving people that at least have eye issues problem, obviously. So it is what it is. They are still working on it, but they released a video explaining, look, this is what you can expect from our smart glasses coming out pretty soon. And I think it may be a big release when it does come out. I don't doubt TCL do know how to make products. They are quite experienced in making quality new products, although most of the time they do steal some of their designs and tech from from other bigger manufacturers and more popular brands like the Samsung, LG, and Apple. So whenever I see them make something first, I'm quite happy because it means that they're a company that does go out to make things for themselves without always waiting for other brands to make it before they make theirs in that image and likeness. So it is what it is. It's able to magnify content in front of you. Let's see what happens. I'll keep my eyes out for it. I'll keep my eyes out for it. I'll leave some of the specs because it does even come with a 5 megapixel camera, built-in microphone. It's really, really cool. I'm not gonna lie, it's really, really cool. So that is it. It's a new glasses that I think will be a big hit when it does go on sale eventually. Do subscribe to the channel. I will see everyone next time.